Hey world, how you doing? Hope everybody's doing good out there. Anyways, I just wanted to mention a coil cleaner here that I'm really kind of impressed with. This Hvac stuff, it's a brown. It's not, well, yeah, I think it's brown. It's like more of a brown. You can see, let's see if I can get this. It's kind of like a, I don't know. It's in my truck for I got kind of sun. Trying to see here. Yeah, it's like brown color. This stuff works good, man. I'm impressed with this stuff. This new Calgon Hvac Plus condenser coil. It really it does exactly what it's saying, and it's not all toxic like the New Bright. I actually like it better than the New Bright now, and I was a New Bright fan for a long time. It actually does a better job than the New Bright. I did a side-by-side comparison on a coil. Pushes dirt out of the coil, that's what it does. Cleans and degreases, revitalizes, and yeah, man, you set it on, and even I water it down, I think 50, I do like 50-50, 50%, 50% water, and squirt it on, man, in 5 minutes, leave it on, and it bubbles out. I'll do a video, I'll attach a video to this that shows it bubbling, but it pushes it out real good. So just wanted to turn you guys on to, if you're not already, for refrigeration, for pushing the grease out of a condenser coil. This works really excellent. Like I said, for refrigeration, and if you got grease on a coil, it pushes it out real good. So this is the stuff, okay? It's a hot ticket. All right, take care, bye. Click like on the video and subscribe. Take care, bye. Okay guys, here's a few examples of the coil cleaner in action. This is a coil before. Obviously it's pretty plugged up. Then this is it in action, and I get a couple more examples that show actually a better job of it. This is just, and this is a new coil right here. This is a new condenser. So this is before, showing how dirty it is, and the dirt, kind of a close-up. And here it is. Yeah, I didn't mean a new condenser. I just meant another example. And this is the brown stuff, bubbling the dirt right out of there. Like I said, I like it better than the New Bright now. It's just a big boy, bubbling away. Cleaning her up. She's pretty dirty. And this is showing the coil after it's been cleaned and rinsed off with some hot water from a sprayer. It comes out pretty nice, as you can see. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video and subscribe. Take care. Bye.